Hi guys, it's Holly, and I have another unboxing of some natural soap from my sister's soap company, Herndon Soap Company. And these are just a few that I already have. I already used all the other good stuff. I'm using the, is it the chocolate, or coffee, I'm sorry. The coffee soap is one of my favorites, and I have just a natural clean one. I don't remember the name of it, but these two lotion bars are like, this one I absolutely love. It's the cocoa butter body bar. They are so silky. I mean, you could just want to just eat it. It is so nice and soft. Oh. So those are awesome. Those are just a few that I already have. And this is the oats milk and honey bar. Delicious. So I have another box, and if you want to place an order, put in Holly20 to get 20% off your first order. Yes, I've been waiting a while to open this one. I'm looking forward to this. Beautiful, I love it. Herndon Soap Company. Boom. I'll put links in the description. You get a little card, which is nice, a little thank you card with the information on it. So that's cool. Let's see what we got here. You guys have no idea, like, I did another video about this, and when we were on lockdown, I was looking everywhere for natural soaps, natural, like, vegan soaps that I loved, that actually smelled good, felt good, left my skin feeling, like, really smooth and soft. And my sister makes them, of course. Oh, look. Oh, cool. I forgot what I ordered. It's been a while. So this is the dish soap set. Oh, and she puts like little instructions and stuff in here. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Okay, so she gives samples in here. Ooh, that's fresh. So this is a little sample. Spring. Ooh, that smells good. It's very fresh. It smells like spring. I don't know what to do first. Okay, what's this? Okay, this is a lotion bar. And sometimes they can get, in the heat, it might get a little melty, so she puts it in this little pack. I think it says warm weather can soften your lotion bar in transit. Place bar in the fridge for 1 hour for it to harden. I've never had that problem, and I live in Florida, so just so you know, unless it's sitting out in the hot sun for like hours and hours at a time, I don't see it being a problem. Ooh, and you can, oh my God. You can already smell it coming out. I did not expect that. What? I'm not kidding. Okay, so this is I don't know. It's gonna be a toss-up between the coffee and the night blooming jasmine lotion bar. Like, I have the coffee soap and the night blooming jasmine lotion bar. It might be a tie between these two. Oh my God. I have to. Oh my God. I mean, look, that's a nice size lotion bar too. And I mean, sometimes, especially if you're in like the AC, a lot of people aren't used to these natural lotion bars. If it feels like not, like this is like nice and oily, I guess you could say, but not oily. That makes sense. But you can just take it, and I just rub it like this all over me. It's beautiful. Rub it all over my legs, and then you can just rub it in like that. Oh my God. It's like butter. Oh my God, that's okay. That's gonna be like one of my new favorites. And the Cafe Mocha Lotion Bar. So wait, Cafe Mocha, I think this one's, oh my God. I just had a Cafe Mocha this morning at a cafe. This is what it smelled like. I swear, if you could eat soap or eat lotion, this would be it. I'm in love. Oh yeah, okay. These are good. Awesome. Okay, what else did I get? Let's see. My goodie bag. Jeez, I got like tons of stuff in here. Okay, so this is the dish soap set. I don't even know what it all comes with, but I have the little brush. Doing dishes. Okay, got the little brush. And I think this is the thing you use for the soap, because this dish I got for my soap in the bathtub, because I'm always taking baths. And do I have like, I don't have like a soap bar, because these are all lotions. Oh, which means I have to order more soap because this is for the dishes. Okay, well, I'll be ordering more actual bath soap. This is the lemon dish soap bar. Look at that. This is for the, like I said, the soap. We could just pretend that this is gorgeous. Okay, that's the soap. And let's open this up. Oh, nope, not that one. Where'd it go? What did I do with it? Here it is. Lemon dish soap bar. I get so excited. This is like Christmas. Ooh. Wow. Okay, that's fresh. That is gorgeous. So we're gonna do this. And this is for dishes. There's your little thing. See? Do your dishes. Get that little soapy. But like I said, here's the instructions. Natural fibers. You can do a vinegar soak, step by step, initial odor. Yeah. So it gives you like a little just rundown of how to take care of your products. And that's all I have. Again, Holly20, 20% off your first order. Come on, you can't go wrong. And it is my sister. She makes this. She does videos on Instagram, which I'm probably gonna, I'm obviously gonna put the link, or this video on Instagram, but I'll put the links in the description. But she makes it herself at home, cuts the soap. It's beautiful, handmade. She does such a good job. They are so good. And if she ever stops making soap, well, she can't. She can't. She's just gonna have to have backup, you know? But I'm telling you guys, I don't usually promote product unless it's absolutely fabulous, and it's worth it. I can't stop buying this stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it all. Well, I'm gonna use it, but I'm literally thinking about getting one of those like stackable where I can put like all my soaps and all my lotions, because there's just so many. I keep ordering them because now like I have to turn around and go buy some actual more bath soap because I'm almost out, because I use it all the time. So this is my take for today. This is great. I'm gonna have some fun with this. I got so much soap and lotion. It's fabulous. So Herndon Soap Company again. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And again, I will ask my sister if there's any questions I can't answer. But thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.